Hi, I'm Noboru from Fukuoka. Today, let's see what you can buy in Japan for about $70,000.
What can you buy in Japan for about 70,000 US dollars, or around 10 million yen? In Japan, this budget can offer a range of properties depending on location and condition. First, small condominiums. In some cities, you may find a small studio or one-bedroom condominium within this price range. These properties are often older buildings and may require renovation. Second, older houses. In suburban or rural areas, you can sometimes buy a detached house for around 10 million yen. However, many of these houses are older and may need repairs. Third, location matters. In central areas of major cities, properties at this price are limited. But in regional cities or less central locations, there are more options available. Fourth, investment perspective. Some properties at this price level may offer higher rental yield. However, vacancy risk and maintenance costs should be carefully considered. Overall, $70,000 can give you access to the Japanese property market, but understanding location and condition is very important.
To learn more about property in Fukuoka, please check the link below.